We thank God for the second edition. Ebube Ogbunike Cultural Conference has come to stay. You can see what happened today. You can see how excited the good people of Ogbunike who turned up for the event, how excited they were. You could see that there's this renewed spirit in us, rekindled spirit in us to push forward our culture to become ambassadors, good ambassadors of the culture of the Ogbunike people. You could see that the people of Ogbunike, especially the traditionalists, the red cap chiefs, the Ezeani of Ogbunike that came out en masse to be part of today's event. It's the second edition. It was epic in nature, a focal event, a remarkable one, a memory lingering event that will stay beyond us, that will outlive us. What happened here today? The fact that it was a no holds barred event. People opened up. The traditional council of Undiche, the president, the leader, opened up and said so many things that is bedeviling this community and how we are going to get it right. You know, the keynote speaker, Ambassador Dr. Ramas Okoye Asuzu, Ezofo, was at his best today, delivering his lecture. It was an extensive, comprehensive lecture, and an enriching experience with him, refreshing one. So this particular event is Ogbunike's event.